Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am also. Today we are going to learn 4-letter words with different ways of sound A. So let's get started. A, C, K, ACK, A, L, L, all, A, M, P, amp. Now we will join a consonant before them. B, B says B, ack, back, H, ack, hack. L says L, ack, lack. S says S, ack, sack. Back, hack, lack, sack. All, A-L-L, all. B says B, all, ball. H, all, hall. T, all, tall. T says T, all, tall. F says F, all, fall. AMP, amp. D says D, amp, damp. L says L, amp, lamp. C says K, amp, camp. R says R, amp, ramp. Damp, lamp, camp, ramp. AST, ast. FAST, F says fast. L says last. C says cast. P says past. V says vast. Fast, last, cast, past, vast. ARK. Here R is silent, so we will not pronounce it. B says bark. How will we pronounce it? Bark. D says dark. Dark. P says park. M says mark. H says hark. And and B says and band. L says and land. S says s and sand. H says and hand. Band, land, sand, hand. And this is exception here. It's wand, not wand, it's wand. Wand. Okay? Band, land, sand, hand, wand. Arc, bark, dark, park, mark, hark. Ast, fast, last, cast, past, vast. AMP, amp. Damp, lamp, camp, ramp. ALL, all. Ball, hall, tall, fall. ACK, ack, back, hack, lack, sack. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your support.